Good morning. I was out of town this weekend, and while I was gone, the Planner Society bi-monthly subscription came in. This is for the month of July, but more like August because it's August. It's August 5th. So let's see what we got. This is the only subscription service I belong to at the moment, and I really, really like it. Let's see, we got two washi tapes, rose gold. It's kind of hard. This one's bows, and this one, they're both bows. And then a cool pin. Oh, this is a thicker pin. I like this. The last couple boxes were thin pins, but this is really cool. I like thicker pins. All right, and then a little pencil case. Die cuts. Excuse me. I flew yesterday, so I got a bit of a cold from flying. Always whenever I fly. Let's see. Oops. Oh, I love them. Very, very pretty. And then a couple note cards. All right. Put that right there. A patch. Very beautiful. A paper clip with a charm on the end. This is a notepad, looks like a lemonade jar with flowers coming out. There's two different sizes. The little tabs that say like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, month. I really like these. She always has these in the kits. They're for planning, they're perfect. These are inserts, I think is what they call them. Let's see. Oh, and then an opaque one. Those are cool. Pouches. These are like the sticker pouches. And each package always comes like with this backing card, which you can totally use in your kit too, like in your planning. So many uses. Little piece of tissue. So the 4 different pockets. Very nice. This will be the sticker envelope. Little packet of stickers, and these usually are like the same images of the die cuts that we saw earlier. That is cool. Little doilies. That's the first time that I've been doing this kit that I've seen these. That's something new for me. I'm gonna leave them in the bag because I don't want them to. Oh, they're nice and thin, kind of like tissue paper. Not a little thicker than tissue paper, but thinner than regular paper. Those are cute little doilies. And then bow stickers. These are hooked together, so you fold them like you can use them as tags. And these are just like little stickers for the. I'm assuming these are stickers to add notes for your daily journal. Oh, sorry if I hit that. Yeah, these are stickers. All right, puffy stickers. Oh, look at that. I really like them. Puffy stickers, and then trim. This is like light pink and green, like a watermelon. It kind of matches my nails this month. That's pretty cool. And then rose gold stickers. Let me take these out of the pack. All right, yeah, there's more than one. So these are rose gold rose stickers. See how they're clear? Beautiful. And then this one is phrases. That's really nice. And then last but not least is the pad of paper. Let me see if I can open it with my fingernails because I don't have scissors right here. Oh my gosh. There we go. Well, at least I thought I had it. Alright. So a little paisley. And the other side is just the striped collars. So usually 2 sheets of each. And then, oh, I got 3 sheets of that. This green border. The clear paisley. Oh, rose gold. That's awesome. Look at that. I love that. And then just a rose gold vine, I guess. Let's see. What do you call this? I forgot already. When it's clear like that. How did I forget the name of that? 2 of those. And then 2 of these. Vellum. That just came to me. This is called vellum when it's clear like that. So I love it. And then this is acetate when it's the hard plastic. So I love lots to do, and I will just make a new planner with this stuff. I didn't get a planner cover. Sometimes, like once she's included a planner cover, you usually have to buy the planner cover separately, or you just add the stuff to your existing planner. I will just add the stuff to my existing planner. So, or you know, if you're good with a laminator, you can make your own cover. And I probably will do that too. I'm undecided because there's a lot of cool stuff, and I like to make my planners themed, so we'll see. Anyway, if you aren't familiar with the Planner Society, they are on Instagram, and the lady in charge, I think her name's Christy, she posts to her Insta story a lot. It's very fascinating. So if you love watching Insta stories and seeing how businesses work, totally check her out on Instagram. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I totally pay for this. I don't remember off the top of my head. I think it's like $39.95. I just really like her Insta story. So if you like Instagram, check her out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.